Is your kitchen dirty? Let's go over some tasks that you should do to get it back in check. Start by taking everything off your floors out of the kitchen. You'll want to vacuum your entire floor completely. After your floor is completely vacuumed, you'll want to mop it. I like to use my steam mop. This disinfects and cleans at the same time. Let's talk about how to clean up any wood that you have in your kitchen. I like to use Murphy's oil soap. You can use this mixture to clean all of your kitchen cabinets. Make sure to get the tops, the sides, the edges, the places where you grab onto to open and close them, and all the little ledges that collect dirt. And then once that's done, you can move on to any other wooden pieces that you have in your kitchen. I like to clean my chairs, my stools, and even my kitchen table. Cleaning with soapy water can be fantastic. Soap disinfects and removes any grease and grime as well. Start by cleaning your light switches. We touch these and they're very germy. You can also use the soapy water mixture to clean your walls, your baseboards, and the molding around your windows and other areas in your kitchen. When it comes to cleaning your windows, all you need is a little water in a damp microfiber cloth. Time to clean your fixtures. You can use a vacuum cleaner if you'd like, or better yet, use that soapy water and just use your damp washcloth to clean all the little pieces. If you have a pantry door, wipe it down with the soapy water mixture. Make sure to get all of the edges, the creases, the crevices, the molding around it, and then definitely don't forget to clean the door handle as well. Now let's talk about your refrigerator. First, take that soapy water and wipe the exterior of your refrigerator. Wipe the handles, the front, the sides, and the top. Next, you're going to want to gut your entire refrigerator. Take everything out, go through it all, decide what you need to keep and what you need to get rid of. Look for expiration dates, what's old, what you want to keep, what you'll never use again. Make some soapy water in your sink and wash all of your kitchen shelves, drawers, and more. Once those are all clean, dry them off. Place them back into your refrigerator. Use that soapy water to wipe down the inside as well, wiping the walls or the drawers that don't come out. When you're done with this, put all of your items back in an organized fashion. You'll love the way it looks. Use that soapy water to clean your backsplash. This is a great way to remove all those greasy splatters off your backsplash. Use that same soapy water to clean those glass cooktops. It works just as well with any other kind of range. Don't forget to grab your duster and clean the dust on the top of the molding as well as cobwebs around all the edges of your kitchen. Follow around all the edges and make sure to catch every little one. You can also use that soapy water mixture to make a streak-free and super clean countertop.
And I hope this inspires you to give your kitchen a spring cleaning. Again, I'm Chas from Chas's Crazy Creations. Thanks for watching Hometalk, and I'll see you next time.
My washer and dryer are very well loved with our family of 4. I figured it was about time to give it a little TLC and some deep cleaning to help them last. In a squirt bottle, place 1 part vinegar and 10 parts water. If you don't like the smell, you can add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Or if you'd rather, you could use dish soap and water as well. Spray down the entire exterior of both your washer and dryer and wipe it clean with a washcloth or microfiber towel. Make sure to get the surface, buttons, dials, and all the nooks and crannies. Spray with the vinegar mixture and use a toothbrush to get in tough spots like the bleach spout, the lid, and more. In my washing machine, the center spinning part gets filled up film and it turns a brown color. Use a magic eraser to clean that right up as well as any other tough spots. Also in your washer, make sure to get the top and around the tub of the washing machine. There is a lot of dirt and dust that collects up there. For the tub itself, place 1 quart or 4 cups of vinegar in your tub and fill it all the way up with hot water. Run your regular wash cycle. And again, you can add lemon juice to cut the smell of the vinegar if you like. Once it's complete, you can opt to do a second rinse cycle if you like, and when the rinse cycle is done, wipe it out with a clean cloth. To clean my dryer lint trap, I use my vacuum cleaner to get off a little extra My dryer came with a bristle wand. I used that to dig down deep in the lint trap to get the extra lint that is trapped down there. I also used my vacuum cleaner with the wand attachment to suck out the lint trap. Spray your vinegar mixture over the lint trap and use a toothbrush to get up the dirt and grime. Spray the vinegar mixture inside your dryer as well as on all surfaces as you did with the washer, and wipe it clean with a washcloth or microfiber cloth. Spray your lint trap with the vinegar mixture and use a toothbrush to scrub it clean. Rinse the lint trap off and let it dry. If it is good and clean, the water will run through the trap. If it is not clean enough, the water will not go through the mesh. My washer and dryer look great and are all clean. Mine are almost 18 years old. Just a little TLC will help keep them working well for a long time. I hope this inspires you to clean your washer and dryer today.
I did some research and I found out there was a better germ killer and way to clean my toilet. And I thought I'd share. The magic ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, and it needs to be no more than 3%, which is the kind you can find at any regular store. Put your hydrogen peroxide in a squirt bottle. Hydrogen peroxide contains antimicrobial ingredients and is very biodegradable. Spray the inside of your toilet with the hydrogen peroxide. Make sure to get under the lip of the toilet. Pour about a half cup to 1 cup into your toilet and let it soak. Pull off the lid of your tank and pour 1 cup to 1 cup in there as well. Cleaning from top to bottom is usually the best order to clean your toilet. You can use paper towels, or if you'd like to be more eco-friendly, you can use an old rag that you'll launder appropriately to disinfect it. Spray the lid of your toilet tank and wipe it down. Next, spray and wipe the tank, and be sure to clean the handle well. If you can, remove the toilet seat. We have a fantastic toilet lid that you twist to unlock and they pop right off. If you cannot remove your toilet lid, simply lift it and continue to the next step. Use a toilet cleaner brush of your choice and scrub out the bowl. Be sure to scrub well under the lip. Flush your toilet once you are done with this step. Put your toilet seat back on. Spray and clean the lid. Spray and clean the bottom of the lid and the hinges. Spray and clean the toilet seat. Spray and clean the bottom of your toilet seat. If your lid doesn't come off, you would now clean the top of the base of your toilet. Spray and wipe the bottom of your toilet. There are a lot of nooks and crannies here, so be sure to get them off. Remove the small cap that hides the screws holding your toilet seat down and clean that area as well. Clean the cap before returning it back into place. Your toilet is now clean. I hope this inspires you to clean your toilet from top to bottom with hydrogen peroxide. Thanks for watching.